Cars are perhaps one of the most common modes of transportation in China today, but a century ago, when the Communist Party of China was founded, passenger cars were uncommon. In 1937, the number of passenger cars across the country was 24,000, a huge gap compared to other countries at the time. Meanwhile, none of the cars were self-designed or self-made. When the People's Republic of China was founded in 1949, the number of passenger cars was just 50,000. It wasn't until 1958 when China's first domestically developed sedan rolled off the production line. But achieving mass production was still a long way off. In 1965, China's annual production of automobiles was over 40,000. That number increased 4 times in 15 years, reaching over 200,000 in 1980. As China started its reform and opening up, the automotive industry became more diverse. The first automaking joint venture between China and American Motors Corporation was established in 1984. It was called Beijing Jeep Corporation. Later, more joint venture car companies were founded. Partners were some famous car producers, including Volkswagen from Germany and Peugeot from France. China produced 2 million vehicles in year 2000, ranking 8th in the world. And in 2009, China became the largest producer of automobiles, making more than the US and Japan combined, with over 18 million vehicles. In 2019, that number reached over 25 million, 2 times that of the US. In return, the development of automobile production has helped boost the car market. The market scale grew from only 2 million in year 2000 to 13 million in 2009, making China's auto market the largest in the world. In 2020, China's car market accounted for over 30% of the global market. And China has been the largest single market for many global brands, including Daimler-Benz, Volkswagen, and Nissan. Now, with the need for green development, new energy vehicles have been emerging. Over a decade ago, China's market scale was only 8,000 a year, but in 2020, it jumped to over 1.3 million, 3/4 of which were Chinese or joint venture brands. The total number of new energy vehicles in China reached nearly 5 billion last year, taking up over 40% of the world's total. Looking forward, China seeks to further develop the market, aiming to make new energy vehicles account for 20% of its overall auto sales by 2025.